7 fruits to supercharge your health after 50 plus. Unlocking health secrets. Picture this. Life after 50. A new chapter filled with experiences, wisdom, and endless possibilities. But what if I told you that within this chapter, there are secrets waiting to be unveiled? I'm Adamson, and together, we're about to embark on an extraordinary journey that promises to redefine how you embrace life, age, and well-being. Welcome to Life Probing, where we're not just living, we're thriving. Today, we're on a quest to unlock health secrets that can supercharge your vitality after 50. Are you ready to discover the fruits of rejuvenation? Blueberries. Let's start with blueberries, nature's tiny superheroes. Packed with antioxidants, they're like the guardians of your cells, defending against oxidative stress and memory decline. Oxidative stress can speed up the aging process, but blueberries, with their potent antioxidants, can help protect your cells and even enhance memory. 2. Avocado. Next up, the creamy green marvel, the avocado. It's not just a trendy toast topping, it's an age-defying fruit. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients that support heart health and cognitive function. 3. Pomegranate. Now, let's explore the mesmerizing world of pomegranates. These jewels of nature are packed with antioxidants and may be the key to maintaining youthful skin, vibrant energy, and a healthy heart. 4. Kiwi. As our journey continues, we discover the fuzzy, tangy kiwi. Beyond its delightful taste, kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse, boosting your immune system and aiding digestion. It's a secret to staying strong. 5. Papaya. Hold tight. Our next stop is the tropical paradise, papaya. Bursting with vitamins and enzymes, it's a digestion aid, a skin protector, and a natural anti-inflammatory. But that's just a hint of what's to come. 6. Cherries. Now, let's venture into the realm of cherries. These ruby treasures can improve your sleep, soothe muscle soreness, and reduce inflammation. And there's more to discover. 7. Dragon fruit. We've saved the most mysterious for last, the dragon fruit. Its vibrant hues hide a wealth of benefits, from improving heart health to aiding digestion. But what other secrets does it hold? Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey to unlock health secrets and discover the power of these 7 incredible fruits. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It means the world to us. Your adventure to a healthier, more vibrant you doesn't end here. To continue discovering health secrets and supercharging your well-being, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got exciting content coming your way. Feel free to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these insights. Together, we can all lead healthier lives and embrace the vitality that life after 50 has to offer. For more captivating content and the next chapter in our health journey, stay tuned. Until next time, keep probing life for all its hidden treasures.